Hey kids, meet Fluffy and Whiskers, two adorable cats ready to take you on an English learning adventure. Are you excited? Fluffy says, hello. Whiskers replies, hi. Learning greetings can be so fun. Can you say hello to your friend now? Fluffy asks Whiskers, how are you? Whiskers answers, I'm fine, thank you. Practice this with your family. Whiskers wonders, what's your name? Fluffy proudly says, my name is Fluffy. Now it's your turn to introduce yourself. Fluffy asks, do you like milk? Whiskers nods, yes, I do. Learning to express likes and dislikes is easy with our cat friends. Fluffy says, I love playing with yarn. Whiskers adds, me too. Discover common interests by talking about your favorite things. Whiskers asks, where do you live? Fluffy answers, I live in a cozy house. Practice sharing about your home with friends. Fluffy says, this is my ball. Whiskers replies, that is my toy. Learn to use this and that with your favorite items. Fluffy wonders, can you jump? Whiskers shows, yes, I can. Practice talking about the things you can do. Whiskers says, let's play. Fluffy shouts, okay. Learn how to invite friends to join in activities. Fluffy asks, what's your favorite food? Whiskers answers, I love fish. Practice talking about your favorite meals. Whiskers says, look, a butterfly. Fluffy replies, wow, it's beautiful. Learn to express surprise and admiration. Fluffy says, good morning. Whiskers replies, good night. Practice using greetings for different times of the day. Whiskers asks, is it sunny? Fluffy answers, yes, it is. Practice talking about the weather with your friends. Fluffy wonders, do you have a pet? Whiskers says, yes, I have a cat. Share stories about your pets. Whiskers asks, what do you like to do? Fluffy replies, I love to nap. Practice sharing your hobbies and interests. Fluffy says, this is my friend Whiskers. Whiskers adds, nice to meet you. Practice introducing your friends. Whiskers wonders, what color is this? Fluffy answers, it's green. Learn about colors with your cat buddies. Fluffy asks, can you count to 5? Whiskers shows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Practice counting with Fluffy and Whiskers. Whiskers says, I see a bird. Fluffy replies, where is it? Practice asking and answering questions about what you see. Fluffy says, I'm hungry. Whiskers replies, let's eat. Learn to express when you're feeling hungry or thirsty. Whiskers wonders, what time is it? Fluffy answers, it's playtime. Practice telling time with your playful cat friends. Fluffy asks, do you want to play? Whiskers says, yes, let's go. Learn to invite friends to join your games. Whiskers says, let's read a book. Fluffy replies, great idea. Practice talking about your favorite activities. Fluffy wonders, what's that noise? Whiskers answers, it's a bird singing. Learn to ask and answer questions about sounds. Whiskers asks, do you like music? Fluffy replies, yes, I love it. Practice talking about your favorite tunes. Fluffy says, I'm sleepy. Whiskers replies, let's take a nap. Learn to express when you're tired or sleepy. Whiskers wonders, what's your favorite game? Fluffy answers, I love hide and seek. Share your favorite games with friends. Fluffy asks, can you draw? Whiskers shows, yes, I can draw a cat. Practice talking about your drawing skills. Whiskers says, let's go outside. Fluffy replies, okay, let's go. Learn to invite friends to join you in outdoor activities.